Here we go again. Jumped off, but I'm fishing with these kids. This is after they done took me. Everything under the water. Don't kill with it. Even the first one I caught, as soon as it got over here, it got off. So, I might definitely have to do this. Taking my bait, got my bobber under the water, swimming with it. That's me. I gotta decide whether I'm trying to hook these mugs. I'm trying to let them hook themselves, and that ain't working. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna find out what keep messing with me right there. Let it go. wants to believe it's a turtle. I don't know what's going on. Alright, y'all, live from outside the line getting fishing. I'm at the new spot. I had to switch my hooks. So whatever is in here keep getting me. I don't know if it's turtles, I don't know what it is. I really believe it might be a turtle. Whatever it is, I'll be having it. Keep sticking it up. That's leading me to believe that it's turtles. Because whatever it is, keep spitting it out. Even after I try to hook them, and I switched my hook, so now I don't know.